Hey guys, here's how we can use iOS text replacement to our advantage. First, let's go to Settings, General, Keyboard, and Text Replacement. Now, as you can see here, the stock one that it comes with is OMW for On My Way. And what that means is when you type OMW into a text box, On My Way will autocorrect. We can use this to our advantage by setting up a keyword that when typed in will automatically trigger login ID or username, email address, phone number. And this is really helpful for when you're typing in something where Apple autofill won't go. So for example, if you're texting someone what your email address is or what your phone number is, it's not going to autofill that because the text box is not formatted to be an email or a phone number. So let's hit the plus sign. And the phrase that we're going to use, let's make it a fake email address here. So we're just going to do my first name, 1234 at noemail.com. And now the shortcut, that's going to be what we type in so that it populates that email address. It could be anything, but let's make it something that's not going to be commonly or easily typed in so that you don't accidentally have something autocorrect your email address when you're having a normal conversation. For example, if you were to type hi, now every time you write hi, it's just going to change it to your email address, and that's not very helpful. Let's do something like the @ sign. We'll just have two @ signs there. Let's hit save. Now, when we go in and type in the @ sign, it should auto-populate with this email address. Let's take a look. And as you can see, by just doing the @ it automatically populates here, and we hit OK. Really simple.